Welcome to the terribly awful garage. It's just dreadful. So I won't give you a tour, but I'm going to now try and start the bike for the first time in 11 months? No, 9 months. 10 months. 10 months. It was started between Christmas and New Year of last year. And now it's now October the 17th. So here we go. So, yes, I am actually climbing over all this stuff here. So, got my boots on. Gonna start that little beauty there. Well, big beauty, big, underpowered, rattly, noisy, smelly, slow, unreliable beauty. But there we go. Hang on, just a minute. Just hang on. So now that we're in shot, here's how you start one. First of all, do not put the gear in, the key in yet. First thing, turn on fuel, on, up with the choke, find it. Where's the choke? Oh, there it is. Right, and then with ignition out, you give it 3 kicks, 4 perhaps, to get some fuel through. 1, 2, oh, this isn't going well. 3, maybe another one for luck. And put the ignition in, and it should now start. Horn works. Right. Is there any fuel? Possibly there's no fuel going. Right, let's try that again. Oh, hang on. What was that? Okay. Maybe there's no spark. Oh, maybe I haven't taken it off kill. Okay. Oh. Give you an idea of just how bad the vibration is on this bike. Right, here we go. Right. Flash. Yeah. Excellent. And that's after 11 months. Always helps if you take the kill switch off. Thank you.